Welcome! In this video, you will learn how to set up icebreakers for your Facebook Messenger. Icebreakers are predefined questions that appear as an alternative to the Get Started button at the beginning of new conversations. Visitors can click on any of them and get a proper answer previously programmed by you. Sounds good? Let's see how to do it. First, click on Bot Manager at the left sidebar of your dashboard. Make sure to select Facebook on the upper switch and choose an account. Go to the Get Started settings and in the lower section, enable the icebreakers. Type any frequently asked question you wish to use as one. Now, you have to set a reply. If you have already connected an AI assistant to the account and want it to answer, select No Match as reply message template. On the other hand, if you wish to set up a response, click on Add Message Template. In the modal form that will pop up, give it a name and, optionally, choose a variable from your custom fields to personalize it. As postback type, select parent and write an ID to identify it. You may also add labels to easily classify and find the leads that click on that question. And choose a pre-designed sequence to enroll them. Then, choose a reply type. It could be just text, an image, video, or audio. A file. A text with buttons. A text with an image and a button, for which you should choose the generic template. Or a carousel with several options. If this is the case, you can add several buttons and several carousel templates. Anytime you add a button, you must specify its type. Choose postback to connect it to another action on the flow builder. Chat with human or chat with robot to send the corresponding template from your action buttons. User's birthday, email, phone and location to collect this information from the visitor. And call us to set up a phone number. You can find more information about the types of buttons in our help desk. Other possible replies are user input flows, one-time notifications and e-commerce stores. These must be previously configured, so you can select them here. Make sure to check the corresponding tutorials on how to do it. Finally, you can also add additional replies, which will be sent at the same time as a separate message. This way, you can make your own convos, for example, text and video. When you are done, click on Submit. Tap on the Add More Questions button and repeat the process to set up other icebreakers. When you are done, simply save. Now, when new visitors open your Facebook Messenger, they will see the icebreakers you just set. Don't forget to visit our tutorials section to find more information about our tools and how to make the most out of them.